Pomelli by Google is the only free marketing tool that learns your brand from your website instead of making you set it up manually. It reads your colors, it reads your fonts, it understands your tone, and then every product image or marketing campaign it generates looks like it was designed by someone who has been working with your brand for years. Let me show you how. Let's dive in. So Pomelli works very differently from any other AI tool that you have seen. This particular tool is built by Google and the DeepMind team. It's the same team which has built Gemini. So it's a very well-made product by Google Labs. And what it does is that it asks you for your website URL and it goes through your entire website, looks at all the images, all the content, it tries to understand your brand psychology and creates a DNA about your brand. It will copy everything from it and it will try to create a proper DNA of your brand and understand your brand in depth. And once it does that, it will help you generate images, campaigns, and a lot of marketing related work can be done very easily using this tool. So let me take you through this platform and show you the real power of Pomelli. So here we are on the website of Pomelli. To access it, you have to go to labs.google.com/ I will leave the link in the description and also in the presentation so that you can just click and go. Or you can directly search for Pomelli, P-O-M-E-L-L-I in Google and you will be able to find the website. So once you land here, you have to click on Let's Get Started. Now Google will ask you to sign in with your Google account. So let's do that. So now these are some of the terms and conditions. Agree. Now here you go. These are the steps that we need to follow. We have to build a business DNA of our brand by giving the URL of our website. We'll get some campaign ideas from Pomelli. We'll be able to generate product photo shoots using this tool. And then this tool can also help us create a brand book and a website, all from one dashboard. So, and all of this is based on all the knowledge that it is building about our product, and that knowledge will keep on increasing as the time goes by. So this is like a permanent free employee that you will have for your brand. So let's move forward. When you click on Let's Go, it's asking you to enter your website. So I have to provide the domain name of my website over here. So let me enter that, www.gurjasnotebooks.com. Click continue. Now it is analyzing my website. This process might take around 15 to 20 minutes. So you give it some time because it's really worth it. Once you've given it this time to understand and study your business, the kind of result that you will get are amazing. Let's wait for it. So there you go. Pomelli has gone through the entire website and it has captured all the details about my business. It's captured the logo, the fonts that I'm using, what are the different colors that are there on the website, the tagline, what are the brand values, the brand aesthetic, brand tone, the overview of the business. So all of this information has been collected by it into a business DNA. Now let's click on Let's Go. Once we do that, it is giving us now multiple options. It's asking us what do we want to do. So the two main things that we can do here is, one, we can create a campaign for social media channels, or we can create product photo shoots. So since in this series we have been trying to create product photo shoots through different tools that are available, let's try how it looks like on Pomelli. So let's click on this. Now there are two options over here. We can choose one of the image and the template that they have provided us, or we can actually generate using AI. So let's try the template first. Now it is asking us to select a product image. So let's click on select the image. Now these are all the images that it has already picked up from my website. So we can select one of the images from here. Let me see, this one looks good. Now it is loading all the different templates that it has. So it is asking me what kind of image do I want. Do I want a studio photo kind of a thing where it looks like the photograph has been taken in a studio, or do I want to create a in-use photograph where my product is being used by a customer, or a contextual photograph where the product is like on a platform or something like that. So let's try this one, in use. We can actually select up to 4 templates. So it has already selected studio, in use and contextual over here. We can even select one of these, one of the festivals like Father's Day or something like that. I'm selecting this one also, in use. Now I've selected 4 templates. Let's click looks good and let's click generate photo. Let's see what it comes up with. So there you go. It has generated these 4 variations based on the 4 templates that I had selected. And look at the quality. It's so beautiful. Look at this one. This is a studio photo shoot where it looks like a proper notebook placed in a studio. I can even change this into a square photo if I want. And now it has generated that same image as a square aspect ratio. So this was for mobile phone, the vertical pictures. Now this one is a square photo. Another one. This one is actually a use case where it is showing that a student is actually using that notebook. So again, a good creation by Pomelli. Let me convert this one also into square. This is another one. Again, somebody is sitting on a table with a notebook on the table. So another good use case. I want this one also in square. So it has completed this one. It has converted this image into a square image. This one it is working on. Let's look at this one. Another good use case. A student is writing on my notebook. So good one. I want this one also in square. So you can see how powerful this tool is. It has perfectly picked up my product and it is showcasing it in a very good way. And there is a consistency everywhere. There is no mistake that I can find here. Now it will convert this one also in square. So once you have the images that you like, you can actually add them to Business DNA so that it will keep on learning about your brand from those images. So all of these images are now saved to Business DNA. You can even download the images from here. So that was the Photoshoot tool from Pomelli. Now let's look at campaigns. This is another tool. I've never used campaigns, so let's try this together. Here you can see based on the Business DNA, it's already generated some campaigns for us. And it has automatically picked up the images from my website. So it has created this image. I can put a header here, or I can modify this header with so this header here, design that inspire. I can change it from here, or I can take use of AI to modify it. Color it has chosen, I can change the color from here. This description that is written over here, I can modify this also. And once I'm happy with everything, if I make any changes here, I can click generate here, or I can fix the layout from here. Once I'm happy, I can download this image and use it directly on Instagram or Facebook for advertisement. So this campaign section is for ads. So we all struggle a lot for creating images for our ads. So this is where Pomelli comes into picture. And it doesn't look like that this is an AI generated image. It actually looks like that this is a real photograph taken by me, right? So amazing. All right, let's see what else is there. So we can select the products from here and design a campaign for the product on our own. Let's see what it does with this one. So it is asking me to describe the campaign that I'm building. Let's see. Back to school campaign. It's asking me what aspect ratio I want square, and let's see. Generate. So here it has generated a complete brief. It has given this campaign a title. It has written a description about it, and it has written a goal to increase sales. Once you are happy with this, you can just click on confirm, and now it is generating the campaign. So here you go. It has generated these 4 images that I can use in my campaign. High speed notes for every class, fast writing zero track, built for the long haul, bold design for bold goals. Amazing. Yeah, this makes my work very easy. Now let's see what we can do here. We can download it from here. We can duplicate. We can change the aspect ratio, make it vertical for stories, 4:5 for feed. If we are not happy, we can delete it. We can add more images from here and create such creative using them. So yeah, it's amazing. So these are the 2 very useful features of this tool, and it works on your entire business DNA. Now we have seen all the other tools where we had to tell what we wanted, and or we have to upload an image and then ask it to make changes to it. This is completely different. The approach here is very different. It has gathered everything from your website, and then based on that it is using its own creativity. I'm just amazed. It has taken this notebook and created this out of it. I'm amazed how it did it. Or something like this. Or something like this. This is really beautiful. And then the second problem it is solving for me is that for my Facebook ads or Google ads, now I have a place to go and create my campaign images, which I can immediately pick up and directly upload on Google ads or Facebook ads and run my campaigns easily. This used to take me a lot of time to do manually. Now I will just use Pomelli, and the more you use it, the more it will learn about your brand, and the more it has knowledge about your brand, the outputs will keep on increasing and improving. And the best part is that this product is completely free. So it will be like your 24/7 employee who is always working with your company and not taking any salary. This employee knows everything about your company, and it will give you the kind of results that no other app or platform can give you. So that is why I really wanted to show you Pomelli, and the first time I saw it, I was just blown away, and I'm sure you would have liked it too. So just go ahead and try it out. It doesn't cost you anything. It's completely free. So that was Pomelli for you. Now you have Photoroom for marketplace listing, Pixelcut for creative AI campaigns, Pebblely for catalog management, PicWish for your most creative product images, and Pomelli to turn it all into a complete social media marketing campaign. This is what professional brands pay lakhs of rupees for. You have it for free. Now build something great with it. Share what you create in the comments. I read every one of them. Download the complete guide and free presentation from the link in the description. I am incredibly proud of what we have built together. Subscribe for the next video, where we continue building our e-commerce website. This is Mandeep Singh Josen from Inspire Pixels. I will see you in the next one.